Other places of interest to notice on your walk. 1. Take a walking tour of downtown Phoenix. Originally called America West Arena and then US Airways Center, it is currently the home of the Phoenix Suns, Phoenix Mercury, and Arizona Rattlers. Big-name concerts and shows are held here at the Talking Stick Resort. Chase Field is the home of the 2001 World Champion Arizona, the Diamondbacks. You can take a guided tour of the ballpark year-round, but you must make reservations. There is also a restaurant in right field at Chase Field, Friday's Front Row, part of the TGI Friday's family, that is open to the public 363 days a year with a full bar and restaurant menu. On days when there is no game or event, it is open to the public, and you can see any activity, groundskeepers, that is taking place on the field. The Phoenix Symphony, Arizona Opera, and Ballet Arizona call this venue home. It is operated by the City of Phoenix. Cityscape is a multi-use development with retail, restaurants, entertainment, and hotel. Outdoor events often take place here in the grassy area, Patriots Park, including a very popular ice skating rink during the winter holidays. In the summer, kids take advantage of the splash pad.